Today I'd like to talk about, due to the recent weather, flood insurance. Most homeowners policies, if the water comes from outside the home, is not covered unless you have purchased an additional policy through FEMA that is for flood insurance. You can buy flood insurance on a $250,000 home with about $100,000 in contents coverage for a home that's not in a floodplain, low risk, for about $461 a year. Very inexpensive, and due to the recent activity of what we've seen, may be a good idea to call and get a quote. Thank you.